Hey beauties! Do you scroll through social media, mesmerized by that effortless glass skin glow? The kind that looks so bright, so clear, so unbelievably smooth, it almost looks lit from within? And what if I told you, you could achieve that same radiant, instantly whiter, glass-like complexion right in your own kitchen, using simple, natural ingredients? Forget expensive treatments and complicated routines. Today, I'm revealing my absolute secret weapon, a DIY instant skin whitening mask that will not only give you that coveted glass skin finish, but also naturally brighten your complexion. Get ready to transform your skin. Let's dive in. First up, we're starting with 2 spoons of the liquid gold itself, coconut oil. This isn't just for cooking. Coconut oil is a powerful natural moisturizer, packed with fatty acids that deeply hydrate and nourish your skin, leaving it incredibly soft and supple. It helps to strengthen your skin's barrier, locking in moisture, which is key for that dewy glass-like finish. Plus, it has natural antimicrobial properties that can help keep your skin clear. We'll need 2 full spoons of this amazing oil to start our mask. Next, our secret for that instant brightening effect: rice flour. This ancient beauty secret, hailing from Asian traditions, is a game changer. Rice flour acts as a gentle exfoliant, sloughing away dead skin cells to reveal brighter, fresher skin underneath. It's also known for its skin lightening properties, helping to reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, giving you that even, translucent glow that defines glass skin. Add 2 spoonfuls of rice flour to our coconut oil. Get ready for some magic. Now, for an extra boost of nourishment, let's add olive oil. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants, especially vitamin E, which fights off free radicals that contribute to premature aging and dullness. It deeply moisturizes the skin without clogging pores and helps in skin regeneration, promoting elasticity and a smooth texture. This oil is essential for achieving that healthy, plump glass look. Just 1 spoonful of high-quality olive oil will do. It blends perfectly with our other ingredients. Time for some ultimate soothing and healing with Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe vera is a powerhouse of vitamins, enzymes, and amino acids. It's incredibly hydrating and anti-inflammatory, making it perfect for calming irritated skin and reducing redness. It also promotes collagen production, which helps in skin repair and elasticity, contributing to a smoother, more refined texture. Add 1 generous spoonful of pure aloe vera gel. If you're using it fresh from the plant, even better. Next, for that gentle brightening and softening effect, we're adding raw milk. Raw milk contains lactic acid, a natural alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, that gently exfoliates the skin, removing dead cells and revealing a brighter complexion. It's also a fantastic natural cleanser and toner, helping to minimize pores and provide a soft, supple texture. This really helps achieve that pristine glass skin look. Slowly add about 2 to 3 spoonfuls of raw milk, mixing until you get a smooth, consistent paste. You might need a little more or less, depending on your ingredients. And finally, our ultimate skin rejuvenator, vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that protects your skin from environmental damage, which often leads to dullness and premature aging. It's incredibly moisturizing and helps to repair and regenerate skin cells, promoting elasticity and reducing the appearance of scars and fine lines. It's the finishing touch for that truly radiant, healthy glow. Carefully snip open one vitamin E capsule and squeeze all that liquid gold into our mask. If you have liquid vitamin E oil, just a few drops will do. Give it one last thorough mix until all ingredients are perfectly combined into a luxurious, smooth paste. And there you have it, your very own instant glass skin whitening mask. Storage tip. Store this in an airtight container in the refrigerator. Use it 3 times a week for best results. Stays fresh for up to 7 days. Now let's talk about application, the key to unlocking these amazing results. Apply the mask evenly on your clean face and neck using a brush or your fingers. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes until it dries. Gently massage it with wet fingers, then rinse off with cool water. Immediately after rinsing, you'll feel your skin is incredibly soft, hydrated, and surprisingly plump. With consistent use, you'll notice a significant improvement in skin brightness, a reduction in dullness and dark spots, and a wonderfully smooth, luminous complexion. True glass skin. There you have it. Your simple, effective, and natural path to glowing, instantly whiter glass skin right at home. No need for expensive products when nature provides such powerful solutions. If you're ready to embrace your most radiant skin ever, give this mask a try. And if you love it, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Share it with all your friends and family who dream of glass skin. So beauties, skip the salon bills and expensive serums and try this magical DIY today. You won't believe how soft and glowing your skin will feel. Let me know in the comments if you're trying this mask tonight. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real and effective skincare secrets. Tap the bell icon to never miss a glow up.